I'm James Hill. I'm the founder and CEO of Chef For Foodies. So, what is Chef For Foodies? Well, we are creating a community between chefs, foodies, and food brands. And one of the biggest problems we're trying to solve is the amount of ultra-processed food that's being eaten. And the way that we're doing that is we consider this as putting a chef in the box. So this is a sustainable box with zero wastage packaging. We make sure that everything is weighed and measured so that you don't have to worry about having anything in your pantry. But at the same time, it's unique because when you open the box, apart from seeing this incredible packaging, you're also going to tap the QR code and actually watch the chef come to life. And all of our chefs are professional chefs or Michelin star chefs or chefs from MasterChef, and they will guide you step by step through how to actually make and plate up this incredible restaurant quality food. So, Chef For Foodies, try it today.